So first let us understand what is splatting. So splatting is basically a technique, it's a rendering technique where volumetric primitives are projected onto the screen and accumulated as soft footprints. So in splatting, what happens is that volumetric primitives, like here it is the 3D Gaussians. So these volumetric primitives, they are projected and they are thrown at the screen and they're accumulated as soft footprints. So that is splatting. So splatting means volumetric primitives. So for us, it is 3D Gaussians. They are ellipsoids of different shape, size, and orientation with different opacity and different color. So millions of ellipsoids, they are projected onto a 2D screen. Projected means we transform the 3D into 2D and they're projected and accumulated alpha compositing we do on the screen. So that is splatting. So in splatting, instead of rendering triangles, each primitive contributes a smooth 2D footprint. So see in mesh, what we do is that in mesh we render triangles because geometry is there. But here what we are doing is that we are just throwing or we are just projecting the volumetric primitives onto the screen and each primitive will contribute a smooth 2D footprint and this 2D footprint will be very smooth. Smooth in that sense that every pixel or every small region will be covered. So here contributions they blend together. So blending will happen.